Today we are going to read Cooking with the Cat by Bonnie Worth, illustrated by Christopher Moroney. Look, look, the cat wants to cook. Look, a book, the cat has a cookbook. We need a tin. Which tin will win? The thin tin is best. Put back the rest. We need ham and jam. Lots and lots of pots. We spot the pot. Hot shot into the pot. A pot shot, not so hot. We take a seat. We start to beat. No, no, no. We do not eat the treat. We beat. Do not slop the glop on top. Stop, stop, stop that glop. Mop up that glop. Do not drop the mop in glop. We heat the treat, a spot on the pot. Got the pot. Ding! They are done. A neat seat to eat a treat. We eat and eat and eat and eat. This treat cannot be beat.